She lost her life all because her gynecologist failed to recognize that he perforated her colon during the course of a laparoscopy. You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. She was going to have a laparoscopic GYN procedure. The doctor told her this was a simple procedure. She'd be in and out shortly. And so, you know what? She went ahead and had the procedure. She trusted her gynecologist. During the course of the laparoscopy, the doctor perforated, made a hole in her colon. But the tragic reality was he failed to recognize it. So now he does the procedure, he finishes it, he closes her up, sends it off to recovery, and then after a couple hours, she goes home. A few hours later at night, the doctor calls the patient and says, "How are you doing?" Patient says, "I'm not feeling well. My abdomen feels really strange." And he says, "Don't worry about it. It's from all the air that we put into your belly in order for me to see during the course of this laparoscopic surgery." Well, guess what happened? During the course of the night, she got worse and worse to the point where her son found her dead on the floor in the morning. They tried to revive her. It was no good, no use. And now, only on autopsy, when a doctor did a clinical examination of what happened to her inside to look to determine what was the cause of death. Why did you die after the surgery? Only one day, within 24 hours. It turns out that the medical examiner was able to find that the colon, which was near where he was operating, had been perforated. And as a result of that, everything from within the colon was leaking out. She suffered a massive infection that spread throughout her body that's known as sepsis, and that overwhelmed her and caused her to die that morning. During the course of my question and answer session, known as a deposition, during the course of the lawsuit, I got the doctor to acknowledge and admit that during the laparoscopy, he has an obligation to make sure that there are no organs nearby, adjacent, that suffered any type of injury before he closes the patient up. And this doctor could not explain to me how this perforation occurred and how he missed it during the course of this procedure. The only answer is that he violated the basic standards of surgical and medical care, and that if he was careful, he would have recognized the fact that this patient suffered an intraoperative injury to her colon. And had he recognized it at that time, he could have called in a general surgeon to come in and try and fix that problem. And if it was a minor problem, he simply would have oversewn it. And if it was a significant problem, then now the surgeon would have cut off the ends of the offending injury, connected the two ends together. That's known as an end-to-end anastomosis. And now this patient would be alive today. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding of one case where I was able to help the surviving family obtain compensation for the loss of their mother as a result of a doctor's incompetence and carelessness. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.